ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधिः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीः नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री it was said that ahankara and atma, if both of them are not separated, then tattvamasi mahavakya upadesha grahankarta is also there, and the lakshyartha of the upadesha, that is atma sakshi, which in this chapter is called as adhyaksha, is also there. So adhyaksha is the lakshyartha of tattvamasi mahavakya. Upadesha grahana karta is ahankara, and both of them are together. Both of them, when they are together, chidabhasa will take place. This is Siddhanta Matam. And then you can explain Shruti also. Shruti will not be saying anything mithya. Means Shruti will not be false. Shruti will be true. Then further now, page number 273. श्लोक नंबर 79 टीका तर्हि अहंकर्तृ विषयो अपि उपदेशो अध्यक्षे पर्यवस्यति इत्याशंक्य आभासानभ्युपगमे तदपि दुर्घटम इत्याह. So somebody says, okay, let there be ahankara and let there be sakshi, but no chidabhasa. तर्हि अहंकर्तृ विषयो अपि उपदेशो अहंकर्ता ahankara, he will listen to the upadesha and its paryavasanam lakshana will be in adhyaksha, adhyakshe paryavasyati iti ashankya abhasa anabhyupagame. If you don't accept abhasa, it is not possible. Tadapi durghatam. Durghatam means it is not possible. Why? त्वमित्यध्यक्षनिष्ठश्चे दहमध्यक्षयोः कथम् सम्बन्धो वाच्य एवात्र येन त्वमिति लक्षयेत्. त्वमित्यध्यक्षनिष्ठश्चेदहमध्यक्षयोः कथम् संबंधो वाच्य एवात्र येन त्वमिति लक्षयेत्. त्वम् इति अध्यक्षनिष्ठश्चेत्. त्वम् means in tattvamasi mahavakya, tvam is adhyakshanishtha, means finally it is pointing out sakshi. अध्यक्षनिष्ठश्चेत् अहम अध्यक्षयोः कथम संबंधः. अत्र वाच्य एव येन त्वमिति लक्ष्ये. This sambandha you will have to give. What is this sambandha between ahankara and sakshi? Because what Purvapakshi is saying, okay, let there be ahankara. Ahankara has to be there because he has to do shravana. Sakshi has to be there because sakshi has to be understood as I am sakshi. So I am the one who is doing shravanam, I am the one who is sakshi. Because that is Shruti's instruction. In other words, ahankara and sakshi both have to be present. Both have to be understood as aham. Then Siddhanti says, you will have to define the sambandha between the two. How did they get associated? Katham sambandha atra vachya. Yena, because of which, tvam iti adhyaksham lakshayat. This tattvamasi will indicate adhyaksha. Adhyaksha I am saying, showing like this, but you should understand like this. Huh? Adhyaksha is aham, I. Tika. So, basic thing you understand. Don't worry about how many texts you are gathering, how many classes you are present. That is not going to make significant difference. Understand all your problems are because of adhyasa. You have to take time to think about this as the problem, number one. Here, that is not the topic directly. Here it is not said adhyasa is the problem. Here what is said is, how will we explain samsara? Only when we accept Atma Ahankara Sambandha, and that Sambandha has to be Adhyasa alone. So then my effort is, after I do Shravanam, try to understand or strengthen this wisdom that I am Sakshi different from Ahankara. Ahankara is associated with Deha. I explained the other day in different class, this is Ahankara, this is Atma Sakshi, this is Deha, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira. Sthula Sukshma Sharira are connected with Ahankara. Atma is directly not connected to them. Through Ahankara, Sambandha is there. So if I separate Atma and Ahankara, means I understand I don't have Sambandha with Ahankara, and therefore all problems which are there in Panchakoshas, that is called moksha. So it requires two things. A firm nishchaya about myself to be Atma and not Ahankara. Means that person has to be buddhi pradhana, not emotional person. Emotional person will not be able to do. And the other is vairagya is also needed. I need vairagya from, means Ahankara will have vairagya. Ahankara, when it has vairagya from Sthula Sukshma Sharira, then Atma, Ahankara, Viveka is easy. Otherwise, that Viveka I cannot do. Ahankara is not available to listen. Ahankara goes on talking, let us say, about some anatma, what is going to happen. You have to give this time to yourself for thinking. Padam Ahankara Vachi Sat Adhyaksham Bodhayati. Padam means
Tvam pada.
What is padam?
Tvam pada in Tattvamasi.
Tvam padam. Tvam padam is ahankar vachi. Sat being ahankar vachi means vachyartha is ahankara. Adhyaksham bodhayati. Lakshyartha is sakshi. Chet अहंकार अध्यक्षयोः संबंध ग्रहम अंतरेण वाक्यार्थ बोध अनुपपत्तेः. Between ahankar and adhyaksha, if you don't give what is the sambandha, if you are not able to recognize the sambandha between the two, sambandha graham antarena vakyartha bodha anupapatte. Vakyartha bodha will not take place. Aham adhyakshayoho sambandho atra vachya eva. Therefore, between aham and adhyaksha, you have to give the sambandha. Sa katham upapadyate. Now, how sambandha is possible? Is it sanyoga sambandha? Is it samvaya sambandha? Or is it tadatmya sambandha, adhyasa? If it is not tadatmya, then what will happen? I should be able to see them two differently. In ajnana avastha also. Atma is different, ahankara is different. Tadatmya means two are seen as one. येन संबंधेन त्वम इति पदम अध्यक्षम लक्षयेत् इत्यर्थः. By this sambandha, त्वम padam adhyaksham lakshayet. Tvam will show adhyaksha. Adhyaksha sakshi. So now what is the sambandha? Asti sambandha iha iti ashanke pariharati. Okay, there is sambandha. What is the sambandha? Drigdrishya sambandha. But instead of drigdrishya, he says drashtri drishyatva sambandha. Drashtri drishyatva sambandha is this shloka. Drashtri drishyatva sambandho yadyadhyakshe kriye katham. Drashtri drishyatva sambandho yadyadhyakshe kriye katham. There are two corrections in this shloka. Yadi adhyakshe, then khandakara, akriye. And takara you remove. Everybody understood?
Yes. Yes.
Drashtru drishyatva sambandho. If the sambandha between them is drashta and drishya, then adhyaksha sakshi is akriya, avikari. Actionless means avikari. How can he be drashta? Siddhanti is putting questions. Because drashta, here you should understand, drashtru. Drashtru means this drashta who is the pramata. Because other than Vedanta Darshana and Sankhya Yoga, others don't have drashta who is avikari. Their drashta means this pramata, which is the ahankara. So this ahankara pramata who gets affected by the drashya. You hear something, you get angry. You hear something, you get joyous. You hear something, you get sad. You see something, you get sad. You see something, you get joyous. So this is Pramata story. That drashta is vikari. Adhyaksha Sakshi is avikari. How can Adhyaksha Sakshi can be drashta? This is the question. So Purva Pakshi will ask Siddhanti, say, how in your matam also you use the word dragdrishya, dragdrishya? I say, in our matam, drashta is not vikari. We have drashta separate from pramata called Sakshi, avikari, kutastha. So if you accept Sakshi, then for that Sakshi, Ahankara is Drishya. So Purva Pakshi, if he says, yes, I accept, okay, tell me, in this Drigdrishya Sambandha, this topic in Advaita Siddhi was discussed in detail. How Atma, who is Drashta, Jagat, which is Drishya, how can there be Vishayatva before Jagat becomes Drishya and has Vishayatva for Atma? Or first it becomes Vishaya, then it will become Drishya. Like that, all discussions are there. It is very subtle. Advaita Siddhi discussions are very sukshma, because they are there to create buddhi churning. But see the tika. Yadi drashtru drishyatva sambandho abhyupagamyate between ahankara and sakshi. Tadapi, not tadadi, tadapi. Sambandha grahanam anupapannam. There is no sambandha possible. Why? Ahankarasya jadatvad. Because ahankara is jada. Sambandha grahana ayogat. Chaitanya and Jada, what sambandha is possible between the two, which are exactly opposite. Vikari, avikari. One has atmatvam, another has anatmatvam. One has drashtutvam, another has drishyatvam. Ahankarasya jadatva. Sambandha grahana ayogat. Ahankara cannot create a sambandha. It is jada. Adhyakshasya tadgrahanam iti vaktavya. So then Adhyaksha will have sambandha. Then the question is, akriya nirvikare adhyaksha katham sambandha grahanam, grahana kartatvam ityartha. Brahma Sakshi, which is akriya nirvikara adhyaksha. Adhyaksha means like president who is just sitting, not doing anything. This is supposed to be president, not doing anything. Like how Bhagavan says, Maya Dhyakshena Prakritihi Suyate Sacharacha. I am only Adhyaksha. You have to connect this Adhyaksha Shabda here with that Gita Shloka. Katham Sambandha Grahana Kartritvam. So Sakshi will not have Sambandha because avikari. Ahankara will not have Sambandha because Jada. Only possibility is there is a notion of Sambandha. How I have no Sambandha with any other Sharira. Like that, I have no Sambandha with this Sharira also. I have no Sambandha with this Ahankara also. But if I feel that there is Sambandha, it is only a false notion. holding on to which I get stuck in samsara. So if Purva says, I agree that there is adhyasa sambandha, you say that is what we are saying, then you are not Purva anymore. And when these two are connected, abhasa will take place. मास्तु संबंध ग्रहणम तथापि तादात्म्य उपदेशो भविष्यति इति शंकाम अनुद्य दृष्ट विरोधान मैवम इति परिहरति. मास्तु संबंध ग्रहण. Okay, let there not be any sambandha. Sambandha grahana means sambandha is dvishtha. Dvinishtha is called dvishtha. Atma also will have something, ahankar also will have something. Like you say, between Ghata and Bhutala there is Sanyoga Sambandha. So the question will be, where is this Sanyoga Sambandha? Where is it?
It is Ghatanishta and Bhutalanishta.
It is there in both Ghata and Bhutala. So if you say there is Sambandha between Atma and Ahankara, it has to be in Atma also and Ahankara also. So we established neither Atma can have Sambandha nor Ahankar can have Sambandha, because it requires Vikara in Atma, which is not possible. And Ahankara is not capable of having Sambandha. So then he says, Tadatmya Upadesho Bhavishyati. Let there be Tadatmya between the two. Tadatmya means they are taken one for the other. They are one, as if. Shanka Manudya. Drashta Virodhan Maivam iti parihar. Siddhanti says, just like that Tadatmya is not seen. It is Virodha with Drashta. How? Pariharati. So Siddhanta is doing parihara of this notion. Akriyatve pitadatmya madhyakshasya bhaved yadi atmadhyaksho mamastiti sambandha grahane nadhihi. अक्रियत्वे पितादात्म्य मध्यक्षस्य भवेद् यदि आत्माध्यक्षो ममास्तीति संबंधाग्रहणेन धीः. यदि अक्रियत्वे अपि अध्यक्षस्य तादात्म्यं भवेत् तर्हि आत्मा मम आत्मा अध्यक्षः अस्ति इति संबंध अग्रहणे न धीः स्यात्. और संबंध अग्रहणे मम आत्मा अध्यक्षो अस्ति इति धीः न स्यात्. अक्रियत्वे अपि तादात्म्यम अध्यक्ष आत्मा is avikari, that we already saw in the previous shloka, previous to previous. But if it has tadatmya, then both are not able to have sambandha grahanam. Sambandha grahana, when it is not there, sambandha agrahane, mama atma adhyaksho asti, my atma, myself is sakshi. Myself means me, the ahankara. My atma is sakshi. So this sentence itself is incorrect. He will tell. First you see what is said in Tika. I will go through Tika, then explain the shloka again. यथा लोके घटस्य शौक्ल्यम् इति घटशौक्ल्ययोः संबंध अग्रहणे शुक्लो घट इति वाक्य तादात्म्य धीर न उदेति इसी दृष्टांत. In the loka, in the world, ghatasya shauklyam. Ghata is dravya, shauklyam is
Shukla.
means guna. Gunasya bhava shauklyasya bhava, shuklasya bhava shauklyam. One is dravya, another is guna. Iti ghata shauklayoho sambandha agrahane. If I am not able to get the sambandha between ghata and shuklatva, sambandha agrahane, shuklo ghata, this buddhi will not occur. Means if ghata is here, shuklatva is here. Shuklo ghata, this buddhi will not come. Shukla and ghata, they should appear as one. There should be tadatmya. Only when there is tadatmya between the two, they look as one. Then shuklo ghata, this buddhi can happen. Otherwise, this tadatmya dhi will not arise, na udeti. In the same way, mama atma adhyaksho asti. My atma is adhyaksha, sakshi. Iti sambandha agrahane. When sambandha grahanam is not there, then how this buddhi will take place that there is tadatmya. न तादात्म्य धी ही श्रुति तो जायेत इत्यर्थः. श्रुतितः थ्रू श्रुति पंचमी विभक्ति श्रुतितः तादात्म्य धी between ahankara and atma will not be there. If tadatmya dhi is not there, so Purva Pakshi says that is what I want. Tadatmya buddhi should not be there. Let ahankara be separate, sakshi be separate. They are not seen as one. So then what will be the problem? The same problem what was said earlier, that he is going to say again in the next sloka. Who will hear Tattvamasi Upadesha? Ahankara is here, Sakshi is here. They are two separate. There is no Tadat. Who will hear the message? Ahankara is Jada, cannot hear the Mahavakya. And Ahankara, even if Ahankara understands, I am Brahma, it is only Upasana. He is Jada, Parichinna. How can he be Brahma? And Sakshi doesn't have Karana to do Shravana. So Tadatmya Dhi will not arise. Okay, further. In other words, I have to accept that Sakshi and Ahankara, they always appear together, except Sushupti. Sushupti is where I can do, means I take Sushupti Avastha for Viveka, to conduct enquiry. That if there were no two entities, Atma and Ahankara, because through all the three states, if they were together, then if there is no Anvaya Vyatireka, because both are there all the time, then you will not be able to establish that there are two things, separate Atma, separate Ahankara. Because in Sushupti only Atma is available, Ahankara is not. Therefore, I can say there are two. एषम आत्मा अंतर्हृदये अणीयान एषम आत्मा अंतर्हृदये एतद् ब्रह्म इति शास्त्रात् अस्ति अहंकार अध्यक्षयोः संबंधग्रह इति शंकाम् उत्थाप्य निराकरोति. Purva Pakshi says in Chandogya 3rd chapter 14th section there are two mantras in which it is said एषमे आत्मा अंतर्हृदये अणीयान me atma, mama atma, because he said atma adhyaksho mama asti in 81. So he is using this similar thing now, Purvapaksha. Me atma, my atma antardaye, in the heart, inner heart space, it is aniyan, very subtle, sukshma. Eshama atma antardaye etad brahma, and my atma in this antarhridaya is Brahma. Iti Shastrat, with this Shastra, Asti Ahankara Adhyakshayoho Sambandha Graha. So there is sambandha between Atma and Ahankara, because those mantras, they are Upanishad mantras. You say Upanishad is Pramanam. So me Atma, my Atma, this Shabda Prayog is there. Adhyaksha, Ahankara Adhyakshayoho Sambandha Graha, Iti Shankam Uthapya. Is the Shanka. So why do you say Sambandha Grahanam is not there? Nirakaroti. Siddhanti does Nirakarana. Sambandha Grahanam Shastra iti chen manyase nahi Purvoktaha syustridha dosha Graho vasyan mameti cha संबंध ग्रहणं शास्त्रादिति चेन्मन्यसे नहि पूर्वोक्ताः स्युस्त्रिधा दोषा ग्रहो वा स्यान्ममेति च संबंध ग्रहणं शास्त्रात् इति चेत् Siddhanti say, iti chen manyase. Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, if you think because of Chandogya ityadi Shastra, Sambandha Grahanam is there, yadi manyase, nahi. Purvoktaha nahi means no, that is not the case. Why? Purvoktaha tridhaha doshaha syuhu. Earlier mentioned 3 defects will come. Not only that, Graho vasyat mama iti cha. So 3 doshas will be there, plus 4th dosha will be there, plus cha means 5th dosha. 5 doshas will be there. Now what are those doshas? They are given in Tika. Nahi iti uktam vyanakti. No, this is not true. Nahi, no. Why? Purvoktaha styuhu syus tridhaha doshaha. Syuhu. It is lakara.
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling. Which is the Rupa, Prathama Purusha,
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachana. Syat, Syatam, Syuhu. Dhatu, Asbhuvi. What is the Ling Lakara Sutra?
Vidhi mantrana amantrana sampradishta adhishta samprashna adhishta
प्रार्थनेषु विधि निमंत्रण आमंत्रण अधिष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु विधि लिंग. Okay, he gives the doshas now. And Tridha, what is the sutra?
संख्यायाः विधार्थे धा
संख्याया विधार्थे था। अहंकारस्य जड़त्वात् संबंध गृहीतृत्वं न घटते। नंबर वन दोष. Ahankara is jada. Jada cannot have sambandha grahana. He already said sambandha grihitritvam na ghatati. Napi adhyakshasya nirvikaratvat iti dvau doshau. Adhyaksha is nirvikara, so it cannot have sambandha grahana. Whenever you have sambandha, it is only possible with vikari vastu. So that's why Vedanti says real sambandha is not, mithya sambandha is there. That is called adhyasa. नंबर 3 जड़म प्रति श्रुतेर बोधकत्व असंभवः तृतीयो दोषः इति त्रिधा दोषः स्युः. And Shruti will be Shrutehe Bodhakatva. Shruti will be teaching Jada Ahankara. So, Jada Vastu, what is the point in teaching Jada? In Panchadashi, 3rd chapter, there is a shloka. बोधेप्यनुभवो यस्य न कथंचन जायते. Then tam katham bodhayet shastram loshtam narasamakritim. How Shastra will teach that the lump of clay sitting in front of Acharya. Why? Bodhe api anubhavo yasya na kathanchana. So much teaching is and then nothing is understanding. Tam katham bodhayet shastra. So jada vastu cannot have bodhakatva from Shruti. Shruti will not be teaching jada. Like we don't teach pot or wall. If at all you are talking in front of wall or talking in front of a ghata, you are teaching your own mind. Yadi kathanchit sambandha grahanam kalpyata. Okay, somehow you have sambandha grahanam, tadapi mama adhyaksho asti iti sambandha grahanam syat. Natu aham eva adhyaksho asmi. What will be the understanding? Mama adhyaksho asti. My adhyaksha. When I say my ghata, mama pata, mama ghata or mama pata means what? I am not ghata. Shashti vibhakti, sambandha vibhakti says that thing is different from me. Then only there is sambandha possible. So between ahankara and atma, if you say there is some sambandha other than adhyasa, that means that atma is different from ahankara. If atma and ahankara are different, where is tadatmya? So mama adhyaksho asti iti sambandha grahanam syat. Natu aham eva adhyaksho asmi. I am atma, this jnanam will not come. What will be the sakshatkar of this person? My atma is wonderful. My atma is satyam jnanam anantam. Not my atma. I am satyam jnanam anantam. This is how the bodha should be. Natu aham eva adhyaksho asmi iti tadatmya adhyasa anangikarat. And when tadatmya adhyasa is not there, I should understand, I am Sakshi, I am Brahma. Chakara, now because of Chakara, mama adhyaksho asti iti api na ghatate. Now he says Chakara. So first in the shloka, you see the Uttarardha, Purvoktaha syuhu tridha doshaha. Then Grahanam will be mama atma. That is also wrong. And then cha is there at the end. Iti cha. What is cha? Chakarat. Mama adhyaksho asti iti api na ghatate. My adhyaksha Who will say? Ahankara. Ahankara doesn't have the ability to gain the knowledge itself. How will he say? Ahankara will say, my Atma. चकारात मम अध्यक्षो अस्ति इति अपि न घटते. Why? अहंकारस्य जडत्वात्. Because अहंकार is जड. इति अभ्युच्चयः. अभ्युच्चयः चकार तत्र उत्तरार्धे यद वर्तते. So that abhyuchaya means vruddhi. In addition, this is also a problem. You have to accept that adhyasa is there, both of them, two appearing as one, and whole drama goes on. एवं आत्मानात्मनोः परपक्षे संबंध असिद्धिम उक्त्वा स्वपक्षे मिथ्या तादात्म्य संबंध इति दर्शयति. So in parapaksha atma anatmanoho sambandha asiddhi. In their paksha it is not possible. Vedanti's paksha swapakshe mithya tadatmya sambandha iti darshayati. There is mithya tadatmya sambandha. Adrishir drishirupena भाति बुद्धिर्यदा तदा प्रत्यया अपि तस्यास्युः तप्तायो विस्फुलिंगवत्. अदृशिर्दृशिरूपेण भाति बुद्धिर्यदा तदा प्रत्यया अपि तस्याः स्युः तप्तायो विस्फुलिंगवत्. अदृशिः यदा दृशि रूपेण अदृशिः बुद्धिः. अदृशि means jada, that which is not drashta, that which is really not seer. अदृशिः बुद्धिः यदा दृशि रूपेण भाति तदा तस्याः प्रत्ययाः अपि स्युः. Jad buddhi, when appears to have chaitanya because of the proximity of sakshi and chidabhasa in buddhi, then that antakarana will have antakarana vritti also. Tasyapi pratyaha syuhu. How? Tapta ayoga is pullingavat, like iron ball is there and then from that fire emanates. So then the sparks can be there. There is nothing wrong. So we'll just see the bhashya today. Explanation we will see in the following session. Bhashya means tika. Yada adrishihi achetana buddhihi, jad buddhi, which is not drashta. Drishi rupena sada bhati iti abhyupagamyate. But this buddhi always is seen as knowing, drashta. Drishi rupena sada bhati, if you accept that, tada. तस्याः बुद्धेः प्रत्ययाः वृत्तयो अपि तप्ताय विस्फुलिंगा नाम अज्ञात्म तत्ववत् दृशि रूपाः स्युर् इत्यर्थः. Then its vritti also taptaya visfulinga naam agni atmatvavat drishi rupaha. So those vritti also, like fire ball is there, iron, sparks are there. All sparks have the ability to burn. Dahati, ayodahati. Like that, buddhi, antakarana, if it has the ability to know, all vrittis will have ability to know. There is nothing impossible. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति।